All right, so I'm at 5245 Burt, and here is, oh my God, look at these horses. Jeez, I didn't even see them. They weren't out there. Hey guys. So here is the pink flags. So ultimately you have this, these trees in between this house and that house. And then, like I said, it goes all the way back pretty far for the acre lot. So just like the other house down on the corner, that goes, if you look at the drive that I did from where that new house starts all the way, all those trees, that is not another sign for another house to be sold. That is just the sign for Burt on the corner, which I just thought was an odd placement. But anyways, that's just me. All right, so horses are there. You got this existing home here, which I rode down the street. So this is what's across the street from yours, or this house. I actually like this kitchen way better than the other one. Here's your survey pink there. Now there is a wire fence, so there's a fence going along here. Just a wired fence, but that is, which it's probably moved a little bit too, but there's a little wire fence going down the side. So trees there too. So this is just a 3-bedroom. But you can tell the spaces are bigger. All right, so coming in, does have a little like portico almost. I do like the brick. This, of course, the other house had a few upgrades because of, this is off. They still have to put the cord around there. They had some upgrades on that house, but it was a military guy that lost his orders. So he had done a few extras of no carpet in the bedroom. So that's why that whole house was all luxury vinyl plank. Okay, so look at this. We just came in, the light there. Right here, turning here is the first 2 bedrooms. So carpet in here. Normal size closet. It looks out to the front. Bathroom has some nice tile, and then quartz countertops. They obviously have not done the mirror. Linen closet. Couple little spots. I don't know if you can see that. Just a couple little things that I would ask them to kind of touch up and fix. A little spot there. Okay, and then coming back in here, the next size bedroom. These look about the same size. This looks out to the side yard. So a little bit smaller of a closet. Okay. Coming down the hallway, so it does separate you from, seeing the living space. So you do have a nice little entry. Little coat closet. vacuum closet. So looking at the kitchen, and that window was really nice. Let's walk in here really quick. Here is your pantry. Very nice size pantry. And then all that. So it is a walk-in. Garage. Oh, water heater up there. A little oversized of a garage on either side. And then that side entry for the garage. And then laundry. So, good size. Gives you, you definitely have space for something else, possibly a little utility sink. And then this looks out to the side yard. So, another pantry. Or for your big, you know, pots and crock pots and what have you. All right, so this actually has way more cabinets than the other kitchen had. A lot more counter space, which is nice. They did a different color, you know, here versus the cream. They did the undermount lighting, which is really nice. This does have, it is soft close. Whirlpool appliances. Not a Lazy Susan, but still a corner cabinet, so that's nice. Over where the refrigerator would be, but really nice size island. Now we're missing a couple of lights here. They must have got broke. But great little setup. Nice side windows. And then nice tray ceiling. So you can tell that the space, you know, you lost a bedroom, but this living space is way bigger than the other house with the turquoise cabinets. So if you take in perspective, you know, nice size living space. And I do love that window. That's beautiful looking out. All right, I'm walking out back here onto a covered patio, which is really nice. And then apparently this yard goes back and back and back and back. So nice and quiet. I do have some cleanup back there. There's some trash from, but they put all this sod down. And there is a sprinkler system. There's your grinder pump. And floodlights, which is nice. There's your side entry garage. Irrigation. There's your termite. And then here's your Rainbird sprinkler system. This fell down, which is your rain guard, which really doesn't work very well, but it does have sprinklers, but it has a lot of pop-ups too. And then there's your valves under that green bag. But yeah, this actually has a little bit of, you know, they cleared what they could. And but yeah, apparently your pink flags are going to be way back there. So you won't have somebody building right on you. Okay. And then that does have the blinds in the window, so you don't have to worry. You know, you can. Anyways, very nice. All right, let's walk into the master. HVAC closet, another storage And then master bedroom, good size with a tray ceiling. Does have access to the back porch. This does look to the backyard, which is a very nice view. And then I like this bathroom. I love the flooring. And then I like that the cabinets are flat against the wall, and you got plenty of space and updated lighting. Here is the shower. Very pretty. So it just has the plastic pan, which I think the other one did too, but and the subway tile, which I like this. Got your soaker tub over in the corner here with the window, and then toilet area. There's a repair that needs to happen there. And then a repair that needs to happen there. And the closet in here isn't as big. I think the closet at the other one was a little bit bigger, but you could build this out though with uppers and lowers, and that's your fabric shield for your window. But you do have plenty of storage outside. They have put in a lot of storage closets. So, I don't know what that would be. I think they made an extra cut, so they'd have to fill that. All right. But yeah, I mean, I like the quartz countertops. All right, so nice size master. I mean, you could put your linen out here. Good size family room. And kitchen area. Very pretty. Laundry. Another pantry over here. Garage. Guess that must have turned. Okay. Coat closet. And then the 2 bedrooms with the bathroom. I think this one's nicer because it has more light. And then maybe you could even do a barn door to close that off. So she has her own little section. All right. Well, there we go.